The readability. The test material should be spaced enough and never crowded so that the testees can read easily and wouldn't miss any item. In writing test papers, an essential formula says the techniques chosen, that is, the questions, should be in harmony with the test time. Otherwise, the test would be either very long and thus tiring, or very short and thus unreliable. One of the shortcomings that should be avoided in test paper writing is poorly defined questions. In a composition test, for example, a title such as "My Family" is very general, so how can the teacher mark the answers, which vary a great deal? On the other hand, students would feel lost about exactly what to write. So, a more specific and clear title is "Which family member do you like most?" which sounds and looks well defined. The tasks required from the testees and the question types should be different so that a great number of them can answer. For example, some students prefer subjective questions, whereas others like semi-objective ones. In gap filling, where there are completion blanks, the blanks should be in harmony as much as possible with the length of the answer required. A note at the bottom of the test paper saying "Continue on to the next page" or "Please turn page over" is essential to avoid missing any question or item by the student. Far from inaccuracies and mistakes, there are recommended points I find of some relation to our topic. The first one is interest. All teachers definitely, when teaching the syllabus, notice that there are some topics, items, or sometimes chapters in literature, some themes, certain quotations or poems are favored by the majority of students, either because of their clarity, ease in presentation, or any other reason. It is recommended to include part of such material in the test paper to serve as a stimulus, attracting the students to accept the test paper. And this is also, on the other hand, supports the face validity of the test paper. The other point relates to what is known as doability. When preparing the test paper material, it is recommended to put in mind that the lower level of testees are able to answer half of the questions, and as to the other half, it is for the higher level ones. At the end, I hope that those reminding points are of use and helpful for you. Thank you for joining us, for the time you spent attending this humble workshop. Accept my best regards.